These are Tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. We have 5 right angle triangles, a square, and a parallelogram. One way in which we can use the shapes is to help us with estimating area. In this case, we're going to estimate area of a composite shape. So I'm first going to create a simple composite shape. I'm going to make it look like a house. And now what I'm going to do is use square centimeter referent for one of the shapes to help me figure out what the area would be for all of them. So I'm going to place my square centimeter reference. Notice I'm only paying attention to one face of the centimeter cube. And when I place these on, I can see that I'm going to get 9 on here. Now I've still got space. So I'm going to estimate that it would probably work out to another 3 square centimeters that would fill this. So I'm estimating that the area of this square is 12 square centimeters. So I'm going to put 12 on here. Now, if this is 12, then these 2 triangles together would be another 12. And I know from previous exploration that 4 triangles will fill the space of the large triangle. So if 2 are 12, then 4 would be 24. When I add this together, I'm going to get an estimated area of 48 square centimeters. And I've used this one face as my benchmark for my square centimeter. And this is one way in which we can use the Tangram shapes to help us with estimating area.